In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot account in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice right away the option to get started free. It's prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on that button to proceed to the next step. Now you'll be directed to the account creation page. Here, you have the choice to create your free account. HubSpot provides a straightforward form where you need to fill in some basic details like your email address and password. It's essential to pick a secure password to keep your account safe. After you've entered your information, simply follow the prompts to continue the setup process. Interestingly, HubSpot also gives you the flexibility to sign up using existing Google, Microsoft, or Apple accounts. If you prefer this method, just choose your preferred sign-in option and follow the respective prompts. Typically, if you're logged into these accounts already, the process can be much faster, saving you valuable time. Once you've signed up, check your email for a verification link from HubSpot. It's crucial to verify your email address to activate your account fully. Click on the link in the email, and you'll be well on your way to exploring the features HubSpot has on offer. After verifying your email, you'll be invited to visit the HubSpot trial guide. This guide offers valuable insights into how to make the most of your HubSpot experience, especially if you're just starting. Take a moment to check it out to better understand the platform's capabilities. Next, you may want to explore integrations that HubSpot allows for. Head over to the integrations page, which can be accessed from the user preferences or settings menu. Integrations are especially useful if you want to streamline data and processes with other tools you're already using, enhancing your productivity. One other feature you might find useful is the ability to create private applications. To do this, navigate to the private apps section from the integrations area. Once there, you'll see an option to create a private app. This feature is particularly valuable for developers or businesses looking to customize the HubSpot experience or integrate it more deeply with their systems. And there you have it. Setting up your HubSpot account and getting started with these features is as simple as that. Just follow these steps and you'll be enjoying the benefits of HubSpot in no time. Remember, HubSpot offers plenty of resources and support, so don't hesitate to explore and make the most of it. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.